Hello you guys, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of enrolling for the online banking service of Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo and Company is an American multinational financial services company with corporate headquarters in San Francisco, California, operational headquarters in Manhattan, and managerial offices throughout the United States and internationally. So, if you want to find out how you can sign up for the online banking service of Wells Fargo, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.wellsfargo.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Wells Fargo. Now, as you can see here at the left side of the screen, you are being asked for your login credentials. In order to sign in, you'll have to fill in this details and then click on sign on. But here we want to register, so click on the option Enroll. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see here, you are being asked for your social security number and date of birth. Social security number is required to verify your identity. If you don't have an SSN or ITIN, then you'll have to check on the box labeled I don't have this number or call the number that has been given here for assistance. If you click on the box that says I don't have this number, you'll be asked for a card, loan or account number instead. So fill in the details that you have and then click on continue. After that, follow the further instructions provided and keep all the required details. Finally, you'll be registered for the online banking service of Wells Fargo. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.